To start trading with the client portal, I think the first what you need to know to check is to transfer money to your account, and then everything what is necessary before you start trading you find here under this icon with the settings. Let's say market data, permission, also if you have a cash or margin account. All these topics you will find in a separate video what we will see now on the top on the right corner, and there you can check especially the settings in the client portal for paper trading, for market data, and all this information what you need to set up in the beginning. Then after this, it's important, let's say you have a cash account. I think it's very important here under transfer and pay to convert your money. Let's say your account is in euro, but you want to trade in the US stock market, then you need to exchange money first in a margin account. This is not necessary here. I don't know why it's now in German here, but there's second thing is convert money, and you find there all the currencies, and it's important also in the margin account to know, because otherwise you will always borrow US dollar, and then you will also pay interest if you keep this or hold this position for a longer period of time. But the rest, to really start trading and to place an order, I think it's quite simple. You see here a symbol or site search. You can put the symbol you want to trade. Let's say if you want to place an order for eBay, then you can see the different exchanges. Normally you would say I would trade it on a Nasdaq, but if you want to trade it on other stock exchanges, make sure if you have a cash account that you also have the currency for this stock exchange. We will select eBay, go directly here to stock. You can also select options and CFD, but I think for the beginning, as I said, we want to keep it very easy and simple, just to show you how to place a trade. And what's also very important, if you place a trade and open a position, to have a stop and a target order. Target maybe not so important, but especially to have a stop order just for the worst case scenario. It's something what is really important. Now we can see the chart of eBay. You can also select the different indicators, whatever you need. I think this is something what you can use and try and see what you need here for your settings, for your setup of the chart. But really, to focus on placing a trade, you just need to select here if you want to buy or sell the stock. I think normally for a long-term investor, it's usual to buy some stocks, and then we have here already the order ticket where we can set up everything what we need. You can see how many money you need for 100 shares of eBay, but you can also select US dollar amount if it's for you easier to say for every position I want to invest 2,000 US dollar, for example, then this is also possible here to select. Limit price, I think it's pretty clear. Make sure if you work on delayed data to make it maybe a little bit lower. If you want to do short-term trading, it's really important to have the real-time data also for the symbols. Otherwise, with a market order, you will place an order and accept every price. What I think for long-term investors is not really the thing you're looking for. And what is also important, if you especially place a trade with a stop and a target order, choose good till cancel. Otherwise your stop and your target will be automatically cancelled after the day, because here time enforces it's only set today, means it's only available for this trading day. This is, I think, everything what you need to know here for an entry order. Then you can place here the buy order, accept it, and your order is still pending. You can check this then under orders and trades. It's pre-submitted. We can also modify it here or cancel, for example, the order. That's, I think, pretty easy. Just type the symbol here, put your data, choose the right exchange, wait till the chart is loading, and then just select buy or sell. And after you have this position in your portfolio, you can also place easily the stop and the target order. Normally we will see this in the trading app and maybe also in the trader workstation. What is the next application what we want to check? You can also already attach here the stop or the market, exactly what we can see here, profit taker and then also stop loss. So that's the easiest part. That's exactly what we spoke in the beginning. Let's say for Meta, we also want to invest only 2,000. Now it's only for shares available. That's why we didn't see it earlier. Let's say we want to just buy 5 shares of Meta. Important only if you select shares, you have profit taker and stop loss. And then you also can here change the time and force. I think here it's more important than for the entry, but here you can also select the price for your profit target. You will see it then also later in the chart, and it's easy to change the profit and the stop loss. It's just important to make sure you have a stop loss with the good till cancel settings and also a profit taker if there's a spike and you want to really generate some profit when you are not in front of your computer, so there's always a target available. We can also set this up one more time to see how it will work. Here I think we can see the chart and our orders, but we have to select a smaller interval, and then we can see here our stop, our limit. We can also just click on it and change it here. That's all possible, and the easiest thing what I always check at the end is my selection here, order and trades. There we can see Meta's already pre-submitted for the next trading day, as we are outside of the trading hours now at the moment. And here you just need to cancel the buy order, because the sell order, the profit taker, the stop loss is only attached order to my entry order. So as soon I cancel this, the rest will be also cancelled. That's, I think, everything, and it's quite easy, quite simple in the client portal, really also for beginners. If you just do the things what I told you at the beginning, check if you have the market data and the permission and the right currency, and then just select here the symbol what you want to trade, and that's it. Now the trader workstation, I think here it's a little bit more advanced, especially if you want to trade other instruments and not only a buy and hold strategy where we open some stock positions. I think Trader Workstation can bring you many more features, and you have some more settings what you will find so in the client portal, not in the same way, especially in the roll positions for options. But as I said, we just want to keep it easy and simple. We just want to show you how to place an order for a stock. And here, we can do another example. We can do, for example, Apple. If you don't need to know the symbols, you can also check them on a special website. But here, for the order entry, it's always important to know the symbol for the stock you want to trade. Here you have the same selection. We see again Nasdaq. We see here Mexico or other markets, like here must be Germany. And then I select Apple Smart. That's just the routing. And here, if you have the classic version, the mosaic version with the order entry window, it's also pretty easy and simple. Select buy or sell. Select again the quantity. Let's say we will buy again 5 stocks, limit price, and then under advanced you will find attached stop loss and profit taker. So pretty much same what we had now. Here you can even choose if you just need a stop loss or just a profit target. Just also don't forget the time and force, the duration, especially for buy and hold. Like I said, it's important to choose GTC, means good till cancel, or maximum 90 days what the order is valid, but you will see also the exact date if you place the order. And then after this, it's not much more than just submit the order. You will see the amount what you will invest. You can also see it here. Also how long it's available. Here's the same. You can see my stop, you can see my target, and I can change this also in the chart by just clicking on the stop or the target and then holding pressing the mouse button and changing and moving it. But on the other way, you can also change it here directly in the order window, where you can see all the orders which you placed today, and you can also cancel here. So it's in the mosaic version, I think, also pretty easy and pretty simple to really start and place an order. And then in your portfolio, what we can see here, you see normally the profit and loss on a daily basis, also in a total basis if you want to change the columns here. But that's all something what you can also see in our different videos just regarding the Trader Workstation application with the two different versions, what we see here for Mosaic and, for example, for classic trading. So this was the placing order type or style in the Trader Workstation. Now the last thing what I want to show you is the way how to do it in the mobile app. It also depends if you have an iPhone or an Android. It looks a little bit different, but I want to show it here with a few screenshots. As we can see here, that's the mobile app. You also have the section trade, what you will find normally in your portfolio, and then under the three dots on the right hand side you will find normally the trade section, and then same like what we did before. You have to search a stock. Let's say we have here CVS Health Corporation. Also there we have different exchanges. Mexico again, this is Frankfurt Stock Exchange. After you select the right one for the New York Stock Exchange, also the same here, how many you want to buy, which order type. Once again, good till cancel if you want to keep this order for longer than the trading day where you place it. And then at the end, if you want to submit the order, just slide to the right. Or what we will see in the next screenshot, if you scroll down here, you have also the possibility to attach a profit taker and stop loss. To select here the same, the price, and like I said, always important to focus on good till cancel. Yeah, after the order is submitted, you will also see how long it's valid with the GTC selection for the time in force. You can also modify it later, as you can see here, modify or cancel order. I think the mobile app is similar to what we discussed in the beginning for the client portal. It's pretty easy and pretty simple if you have just the right stocks. That's, I think, the only thing what is a little bit tricky, as there's many exchanges and some people don't know the symbol or maybe the exchange where they want to place the trade. But after this, I think all self-explaining if you're using the app here. So after you see your order, you will also be able to slide here to cancel it. I normally always check the transactions at the end. It's normally the order section or all the trades you will see from the day. Sometimes there's maybe an entry order what you need to change or need to cancel because you don't want to buy this anymore. So it's always in every trading tool important to check your transactions, means open orders, what trades did you do, and here, as I told you before, especially for cash account or also in some cases for margin account, you will find also here the button for converting currencies. So in a client portal and in the mobile app, you will always do it market to the price what is offered at the moment. If you want to exchange money to a certain price, then the Trader Workstation has some more features, but this is also explained in a different video what you can see on our channel. Yeah, here's the information. Orders, we cancelled already this. At the end you can also see all the trades what you did today, and I think that's more or less the most important to start here with the mobile app. As I told you at the beginning, client portal and mobile app, it's super easy and simple for beginners. Trader Workstation should be something after maybe a few weeks or months you're really familiar with the other two applications. It's worth it to have a look in the Trader Workstation, but if you really start and then want to trade in the Trader Workstation, it looks a little bit old style and complicated. That's why the client portal and the mobile app is something what I recommend for easy buy and hold strategies for stocks, because it has all the features what you need.